Cold lay tarmac repairs can withstand repeated car traffic when they are installed correctly and maintained proactively. Cold lay tarmac is a pre-mixed asphalt emulsion designed for quick repairs without heating and to make it durable under repeated vehicle loads. Start with a clean, dry cavity free of loose debris and standing water because adhesion depends on intimate contact. Use a stiff broom and a wire brush to profile the edges and create a keyed surface for the material to bond to. Compact in layers using a hand tamper or weighted plate compactor if the patch is deep. Compacting in thin lifts of no more than 1 inch gives the highest density and reduces long-term rutting. Always form a solid, slightly crowned surface so water sheds away from the patch. Water trapped at the edges accelerates breakdown. Edge support matters more than many think, so feathering the cold mix into surrounding sound pavement or building a shallow vertical butt joint will keep tire forces from prying the patch free. For high turning areas and constant heavy traffic, plan on follow-up reinforcement within weeks to months because cold mixes settle and shear under repeated lateral forces. Adding more product and recompacting when you see early deformation prolongs life. Recognize that hot applied patching remains the longer lasting option for arterial or commercial driveways because it achieves higher density and better cohesion. But cold lay is a practical fast fix when time, equipment, or temperature prevent hot work. Common mistakes include skipping proper cleaning, which leaves fine dust and oils that prevent bonding, so always use a stiff brush and, if available, a bit of solvent cleaner on oil stains and allow it to flash off before placing material. A second mistake is undercompacting the repair, which causes early depressions and edge failure, so compact in thin lifts with a heavy tamper and recheck density after cooling. Third, people often leave a flat patch that traps water, which accelerates breakdown. Give the patch a slight crown and ensure adjacent surfaces are sloped so water does not pool on or at the edges of the repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and styles of repairs in our area. We host an active discussion community on the site where our members share field tips, contractor experiences, and before and after photos to help you choose the right repair approach.